how to register your company on booking.com. Now, in order to register your company on booking.com, you just simply need to open your browser either in your mobile phone or PC. After that, search for booking.com extranet in your browser. Then this first link of join.booking.com will appear. Tap into that link and it will open this page. If you have logged into your account already, if you haven't, log into your account and you can see this page which says continue with your registration. Now, in order to register your own company, tap to this continue button besides new property, and after tapping in there, this page will appear where you need to select what type of company or property that you have, either an apartment or home or hotel, B&B and more, or alternative places. Simply select suitable option which you would like to register in booking.com, and after that you will get multiple questions in this page. You just simply need to select the suitable option about your place without lying any of it. Lying might get you in trouble with the registration process, so simply fill out all of the answers for every single question related to your property, and after that, once you finish this, you can easily be registered as a company on booking.com. So this is how you can very easily do it. The process will be pretty long since you have to fill out all of the information regarding the company that you have, and after doing that, once you finish that, you can very easily register your company on booking.com. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.